Welcome to Genius Connect. Please subscribe and share.
Hello everyone. Namaskar. I am Purvi Gohil, a mathematics faculty at Genius English Medium School. Today here I am going to discuss the importance and uses of numbers in mathematics. To come to my point, first I would like to discuss something. Whenever students come across a very complex theorem in mathematics during lecture, they are asking me, Madam, who invented maths? Why we are supposed to study all these things? I am giving them a very good examples. They agreed with me that it is useful in life. But ultimately, they come back to that point only, that who invented this? Why we invented maths? So, today I want to discuss with you what is actually mathematics as per you. If you will ask me, mathematics is all about numbers. We are surrounded by numbers in our life also. Everyone agrees in this. Maths and life is both about numbers. If you will ask me that where I stay, I'll give you my block number, my street number, my apartment number. If you will ask me how old am I, I'll give you the years. That is also a number. Now let us think, if numbers will not be there, can you imagine a single thing? No. When we are waking up, the toothpaste which we are applying, it has a price, it has a barcode. When we catch a bus to reach to our school, bus is having a number. Without number, we won't be able to identify that is this bus will take me to the destination where I have to reach. If I want to give a call at my family members, I won't be able to, because numbers will not be there on my mobile's keypad, right? So everything, whatever you will be thinking, is surrounded by numbers. Now that question draws me back in a prehistoric time. Do numbers appear same as they are right now? Who has invented the numbers? How this thought of numbers came to their mind? Because we know at that time businesses were not there. At that time mobile phones were also not there. Why they have invented these numbers? Have they actually invented numbers? Very interesting theory is behind these all numbers, Because now you know what is the importance. Because numbers won't be there, we won't be able to survive. Life will become a misery. So now let us understand how they came to the existence. Friends, earlier means before 40,000 years, we are having a proof that people were using a telemarks, and with the use of that telemarks, they are doing the basic calculations. At that time numbers were not there. There were no such things as 1, 2, 3 or 0. Yes, exactly. Just a telemarks, nothing else. Where we found this telemarks? It is a Lebongo board on which they have done the scratch marks. And with that scratch marks, they were counting the things. Now we don't know exactly. They were knowing that how many things, or they were just measuring that this is bigger or smaller, like that. But the basic solid proof is there on Ishango bone. Before 20,000 years, we found this Ishango bone, and on that the telemarks has been scratched. Now see, there is a theory that they have scratched it like that only. How we can say that it is a telemark? Because there are just a scratches. But as a picture shown you, it shows that it is in a groups, and by these groups they are doing the calculations, right? So people were doing the calculations where actually they were not aware with the maths. And today also we are in the same situation. We are doing the calculations, but for you people, this is just your syllabus, examples and marks. But maths is not only to score marks. Believe me, maths makes a complicated things simpler. It does not make a simple thing complicated. Come back to my point. Sumerian people were using this kind of bones. But as the civilization developed, they need more solid calculations. Earlier what was there? Anyone will go for hunting, they'll hunt animal, they'll eat. They are having some stock and they were making the scratches. This much only the requirement and human were satisfied. But as civilization have developed, they were in need to make some complex calculations. For them it was complex, not for us, surely. So they developed buildings, they have constructed buildings, they have developed certain system. Then the human being was not enough capable to satisfy his or her own need. That means he was not a self-contained or self-dependent. He need to depend on other person for a certain things. And at that time, the concept of barter system came to an existence. Now, what is barter system? We all are aware. So, with the barter system, they were in need of a numbers, but they don't know what is a number. So, what they have done? They have started a token system. If I'll be giving 5 votes, he will be giving me 5 tokens, and I need to carry that. Then I'll be giving that 5 tokens to someone else, and I'll be taking grains for it. Now the problem is where the larger numbers will appear. It is difficult to carry that bunch of tokens. So they have started making an impression with bones on a clay pad. Yes, that is the beginning of arithmetic. The Sumerian people have started this technique. They have prepared a clay pad and on that they are making points or tally marks with the bones. They are making the impressions. This is the first time where some record keeping system has came to an existence in the world. Right now whatever chartered accountants are doing, that system they have developed at that time. Thank you friends.
I hope you all would have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Genius Connect and put on the notification to receive more such videos. Like and share this video too. Thanks for watching.